Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to zoom in and zoom out in Canva, a simple but essential skill for precise editing. Begin by opening the Canva project you want to work on. This could be a design, presentation, or any other canvas you're working with. So to zoom in, simply use your mouse or trackpad. Hold down the control key on your keyboard or command key if you're on a Mac and scroll up with your mouse wheel or trackpad. So let's try. So that's how you zoom in and zoom out. And there is also another option for us to zoom in and zoom out on your canvas. You can use the slider here to zoom in and zoom out your canvas. So another option is you can click on the percentage value and enter a specific zoom level as well. So here, so you can choose 10% or 125. So there, you can use that one. And that's it. You now know how to zoom in and out in Canva to make precise edits to your designs. Being able to zoom in and out in Canva is a valuable tool for getting your designs just right. So start using this simple but effective technique to enhance your creative process. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to zoom canvas in Canva. See you on my next video.